Hello, my name is Angela. I'm a student and right now I'm going to explain you some consonant sounds. For this one, I'm going to say the sound and then I'm going to attach that sound to a word. So remember there are two types of consonant sound that are the unvoiced and voiced. For unvoiced, we have that the sound is made by air moving from the back of your mouth through and out your lips. It's just air. So the voiced, the sound is made with your vocal cords. So for this one, you have to feel the sound here. For the other one, it's just R. So let's go. Well, P. For this one, happy, fluff, tea, bath, chicken, peace, sugar, cake, who. And that ones were from the voiced. So let's go with voiced. We have v, black, v, vote, v, do, v, this, g, pleasure, g, give, miss, when, bank, or real, live, queen, and jolly. So thank you for watching. So until the next time.